Alright, so today I finally made the sale of these 9 hard to find DC Batman Jock cover comics. I've been wanting to sell this for like, I've listed this for like over a couple of years, and it finally sold, and I'm happy about that. But as I got into the order details, something weird threw me off. You see the shipping address right here? This is EISCO and then the name of the buyer, 110 International Boulevard, EVTN. What is that? What is that? Glendale Heights, Illinois, United States. Okay, so if I were to Google that, what is this address though, you know? Let me get rid of this extra material. Glendale Heights, Illinois. What is this? Zillow doesn't come up. That looks like a weird warehouse. So as it turns out, guys, this is the eBay transfer portal hub, where they get the domestic orders and then ship it internationally. So as it turns out, this buyer is actually international, because you saw on the order details, it's something about international shipping. So this buyer is actually located in Quebec, Canada. So if I go back right here, you see how it says eBay international shipping, and the other order that you see down here, it doesn't have that. So let's see what this eBay international shipping is all about. So basically what it is that you ship it domestically to the eBay hub, and then eBay helps ship it internationally. So they do the second step. See right there? You do this step, and then eBay will do the rest. In this event, it will be shipping it north to Quebec, Canada. eBay also handles returns, and you can control where items are sold. So let's click on this video. It explains a lot better than how I can explain it.
eBay International Shipping is honestly one of the best things that eBay has done for us sellers.
This new program opens up an avenue to reach millions of new eyeballs, and those eyeballs could be customers.
So shipping internationally has opened up my buyer pool and has given me the opportunity to make even more money.
Occasionally, you'll find items to resell that can't be sold in certain countries, and it's super easy to go into your settings on eBay and exclude those countries from shipping for that specific item.
One of the things that I enjoy most about the eBay International Shipping Program is that I no longer have to focus on the customs process or have to deal with negotiating shipping prices.
Interesting.
The buyers are shown the shipping price on their side, and we as sellers never even have to see it.
What I love about this program is that it's so easy and takes so much of the risk away from the seller. Once your item sells, you just ship it to the eBay domestic shipping hub that is in the continental United States, and eBay handles everything from there.
So returns, right? What is the process for returns? And I'm going to tell you,
returns.
It's nothing. It's absolutely fantastic, because we really don't have to do anything as returns. Once you send it off, the seller send it off to eBay's domestic hub, they take care of everything from there. It has made everything so much more simple, and just the headache of worrying about returns is gone.
I want you, all of my fellow sellers, to know that there's no cost, no risk, and no reason not to try it.
Friends, trust me, you'll wish that you did it sooner.
eBay really got it right with the eBay International Shipping.
All right, so it looks like eBay did something good for us sellers, at least, because they're always protecting the buyers. So let's go ahead and click on view order details and see the breakdown of the prices. So there's a subtotal $58, shipping $10.50. So on a keynote, I prefer to ship flat rate USPS. They offer the cheapest rate, and it's a lot better than having a wait. Trust me on that. And that's PST. QST is basically provincial Canada and Quebec tax. $6.84, so that's order total $75.34. And it looks like, see, the sales tax, transaction fee, I think this is what eBay keeps. So it looks like the international shipping fee have been covered, because usually if I were to ship this internationally, it would cost probably like almost like half of what the order is. So it's extremely expensive. So big ups to eBay for introducing this eBay International program. It makes life a lot easier for us sellers.